So apparently we're too early. We can't check in our bags yet. So we have to wait in line. Right?
Oh, okay. All right then.
What are we doing?
We're waiting for our flight.
No, I mean right now.
Wait, some Pringles.
Hold it up. What flavor is it?
Cheddar. And this one is barbecue. I like this one better. Here, you guys can try.
So what are we doing now?
Waiting for our car.
We're waiting for the shuttle to take us to go get our car rental.
Waiting for it to rent a car. We're waiting so we can rent a car. Because we left our car at the other hotel. No, not hotel. Up airport. We're at a different airport. Hey guys. Hi guys. So we're just taking pictures of that big room.
Where are we?
I don't know.
The art museum?
What?
The art museum?
Art museum. And what are we gonna do after this, Mom? What are we gonna do after this?
We're gonna go check out the state capitol.
What's the state capital?
You'll see. And then
Is it fun?
that's the Denver Public Library.
Is it fun for kids? It is?
Yeah.
Let's go walk. What? Wing on it. And I'll show you some more stuff. Like when we get to see more stuff, we'll show you guys.
Wanna show your outfit of the night?
Yeah, I got my purse, some yellow shorts.
Where are they from?
This one's from Children's Place, this jacket. And this one's from Target. And I don't know where this is from.
From Uncle Mom?
Yeah,
From your uncle?
yeah. For Christmas.
Yeah.
And then this one is from Target. And this purse is from Forever 21. But then we just tied it to make it look small.
Oh, okay.
Come on, guys. it's day 2, and we're going hiking, and we're gonna stop at Walmart for some things. So I got some candy. I only got 2 because I'm gonna share also. And then we got some sunglasses, and then pretty sure we got some more stuff, but my dad is putting the stuff in the trunk. So I guess we'll see you guys when we're hiking.
Okay.
Oh,
What's up?
hi. I didn't see you guys there. Remember when I said we I'll show you guys when we're
Alright, let's do this.
hiking? Here we are. We're hiking. Are we looking for a waterfall?
No, this is the lake.
So
We
for
can
a
find a
lake?
waterfall.
For a lake? Hi guys, we're at the aquarium and we are waiting and it's almost our turn. So I'm not sure what we're going to see there. It's almost our turn. You see it when we like see the animals. We're done with the aquarium, and I give it a 7 out of 10. I saw a lot of fish, a tiger, some parrots, a sea star, a lot of other things. Oh, and the cutest thing was a little seahorse. And then there's stingrays. And yeah, I really liked it. It was fun. Very fun. So we're at a restaurant because I'm hungry. So day 3, and we were walking and we went to go take pictures at the horse field. And I forgot, but we're taking pictures of like that too. And we're gonna go mini golf, but first we're gonna go to our hotel to get the car. And after mini golf, we are going to go to the zoo. Yay! Yay! Guess where we at? We got done eating lunch. Now we're at the zoo. Yay! So we're at the camel now, and I think we're almost done. I have some Dippin' Dots, and then we might go like to this mini golf place after. So the last day, we're going home. We're at the airport, and yeah, it's sad. Because in Wisconsin, I think it's so cold, and then in Denver it's so hot. I don't want to go back home because it's so cold. So I'm just waiting for my dad. And yeah, see you guys when we get on the airplane.
Courtesy phone on any airport.
So we're in the airplane, and I don't know how much hours. But yeah, we got some snacks. And some water. So we're back where we started.
We're going home.
Yeah, we're going home. We're going to get our car.
And it was a fun trip.
Yeah, it was.
Would you do it again?
Uh-huh.
Would you go back to Denver again? Yeah.